Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing great and taking good care of your skin. In today's video, I'm gonna share with you an amazing and super easy face pack recipe that you can prepare right at home to get clear, glowing, and healthy looking skin without spending much. We'll be making 2 face packs today. One is specially made for normal to dry skin, and the other is perfect for oily and acne-prone skin types. These are completely natural and very effective, and they also help in lightening the skin tone and reducing pigmentation gradually. Let's begin with the first treatment. This one is a beetroot face pack, and it works best for those who have normal to dry skin. We'll start by preparing the ingredients. First, we need some rice. If you already have rice flour at home, you can use that. But if you don't, no worries. Just take a small quantity of raw rice, put it in a grinder, and grind it well until it becomes a fine powder. And just like that, your homemade rice flour is ready. Next, we need beetroot. Take a medium-sized beetroot, wash it thoroughly, and peel off the skin. Now chop it into small pieces so it's easier to grind. Put the pieces into a blender, grind it, and then strain it to extract the pure beetroot juice. You should have a nice, deep red liquid. This is our magic ingredient. Now, take a clean bowl and add 4 teaspoons of rice flour to it. Then, slowly add 5 to 6 tablespoons of beetroot juice into the bowl. If you feel the mixture is a bit thick or hard to apply, you can always add a little more beetroot juice to adjust the consistency. Now, add 1 teaspoon of honey to this mixture. Honey acts as a great moisturizer, especially for dry skin. It also has antibacterial properties that help soothe and nourish your skin. Mix everything well until you get a smooth, lump-free paste. Let's take a moment to talk about the benefits. Rice flour helps in reducing UV damage from sun exposure and gently exfoliates the skin. It also helps in tightening and brightening the skin. Beetroot is loaded with vitamin C, which is known for its brightening properties. It helps in reducing the production of melanin, the pigment responsible for dark spots, and thus it helps with hyperpigmentation and uneven skin tone. Once your mixture is ready, you can store it in an airtight container. Keep it refrigerated, and it will stay fresh for up to 1 week. Before applying, make sure your face is clean and free from makeup or dirt. Apply a thick layer of this face pack all over your face, avoiding the eye and lip areas. Leave it on for about 15 minutes. Let it dry naturally. You might feel a slight tightening as it dries. That's normal. Once it's dry, scrub it off gently using circular motions. This will also help exfoliate dead skin cells. Then rinse your face with normal water, not too cold or hot. After washing your face, always follow up with a serum or a good moisturizer. Here, I'm using my homemade vitamin C serum, which is perfect to lock in hydration. If you'd like to know how to make that, I've already shared the remedy on my channel. You can find it easily. Just click the Ein button on the upper right corner of your screen. Now, let's move on to the second remedy. This is a face mask specially designed for people who have oily and acne-prone skin. For this, take 3 teaspoons of gram flour, also known as besan or chickpea flour. Next, add 1/8 teaspoon of turmeric. Just a pinch is enough. Then add 4 tablespoons of beetroot juice. Again, if you feel the mixture is too thick, feel free to add a little more beetroot juice. Now mix all the ingredients well to form a smooth paste. This mask is especially great if you're struggling with oily skin and acne breakouts. Gram flour is a natural cleanser. Its alkalizing properties help maintain the pH level of your skin and absorb excess oil. It also brightens the skin and reduces tanning and dullness. If you've never tried gram flour on your skin, you're going to love this. Beetroot, as we mentioned earlier, is rich in antioxidants, anti-inflammatories, and antibacterial properties. This makes it super effective in treating acne, reducing redness, and giving your skin a natural brightness. Apply this pack evenly over your face and neck. Let it sit for about 15 minutes and allow it to dry naturally. Once dry, rinse it off with normal water. After washing, apply your favorite toner or rose water to tone your skin. Then, follow up with your regular moisturizer to keep your skin hydrated and soft. You can use these 2 remedies based on your skin type, whether it's dry or oily. Try using them at least twice a week to start seeing visible results. With consistent use, these face packs will help lighten acne scars, reduce pigmentation, and gradually give you a natural, even-toned, and pinkish glow. So that's it for today's video. I hope you found these remedies helpful. Please do give them a try and let me know your experience in the comments section below. Your feedback means the world to me. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more natural skincare content like this, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.